As new changes are happening, like daylight savings time change, the third quarter of school coming to an end, and officially introducing spring and Aries season this week, it's time to see what's in store for you. So put on your best shoes and let's get stepping. We're going on a rendezvous looking through Yadie's point of view. Starting with Aries. This is a prosperous week for you. You must remain positive about life as crucial changes will be made. Your personal and professional life will balance out. For my Taurus, stay passive this week. Things could seem to be heated, but it will all work out. However, stay optimistic about the new projects coming your way in the near future. Geminis. This is a great week for you. Numerous opportunities will open up career-wise and stabilize your personal life in a significant way. Cancers, it's time for you to utilize opportunities. There are great opportunities presented to you this week. Take advantage and use them. For my Leos, this may be a hard place or time in your life, but you need to realize the importance of people in your life. Evaluate those valuable relationships and reconsider those that aren't as meaningful. Virgos, you are at a great pace in life where you feel optimistic about everything going on. Make sure to continue to make those constructive choices to continue to clear those bad energies around you. Libra, it may seem like you were clouded before, and this week has allowed you to reconsider your thoughts and make smart decisions. All of your worries and frustrations are coming to an end, and you're finally able to get that fresh start you needed. Scorpios, much like Libras, you are just overcoming those hardships in your life with finally being able to get a new start. With that being said, make sure you express those feelings and find quick solutions for them. For my fellow Sagittarius, this week is a week of growth. You will make mature decisions that will help you construct your life, and you'll receive good news and have that support system around you. Capricorns, your horoscope predicts many great things coming your way, but the biggest is you finally finding yourself. You will be finding those things that matter to you and those things that you want to prioritize. Aquarius, one of your biggest challenges for you this week is tuning out other opinions. You want to be able to differentiate what you want in comparison to what others want for you. There is a lot set for you, but you also need to solidify your support system. And lastly, Pisces, there seems to be new changes for you this week. Make sure to relax and focus yourself on what truly matters. These changes are necessary to you, but make sure you do everything with patience. That's all for you today. As always, I'm Jason Morales, and you're watching Yadie's Point of View.